is one last thing. I am going to just give you a very simple writing frame for your body paragraphs and go through it. Okay, so you'll notice that this body paragraph, this sort of very rough frame, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sentences in it. Okay, any good paragraph on the Gateway is going to have at least 8 and hopefully more like 10. All right, and these are just some examples you can use to write yours. All right, the first sentence, your topic sentence, right, should be you taking one of the bullet points from the prompt, remember one of the 3 we talked about, and just rewording it into a topic sentence with a transition word to start. Now, your transition word, depending on where you are in your essay, may be to start, or it could be in addition, or it could be finally, depending on where you are in your essay. Okay, so those are some transition words that you could use. So you're going to reword the bullet point and you're going to use a transition word. All right, second thing. Now this is where it comes all on you as far as what you know about the science. You're going to define what you're talking about. You're going to describe it. You're going to add your own scientific knowledge and vocabulary, okay? Now, this should take maybe multiple sentences here, okay? Every single thing you know about the process of the science that you're describing, you should be writing about. I mean, this could be up to 3 sentences long, okay? So, first sentence, transition, rewording the bullet. Second sentence, this is all of your scientific knowledge. Third sentence, you may want to give an example. For example, and then whatever connects to what you just described. Okay? The fourth sentence, or the next part, cite a document. According to document A, according to document C, whatever it may be, and then describe how what you see in the document connects. All right, sentence 5. Then next, continue describing your scientific knowledge. Okay, so if this was where you cited a document, here you're going to continue on with the second sentence. You're going to continue to explain that scientific knowledge. You're going to continue to describe all of those things. Okay, so transition, define, describe, use an example, cite documents, keep describing. You'll notice that this describing and explaining of your scientific knowledge is super important. It's what, and again, this connects back in with this right here, the process. You've got to be able to describe and explain the process. All right, sixth sentence. This is maybe another example. For instance, seventh sentence, cite another document. According to document, if you talked about document A and this one right here, maybe down here, you talk about another one, okay? Eighth sentence, this is like make a connection to something else. Maybe something in the real world, maybe it's a metaphor. Try to compare what you're talking about to something else. Okay, if it's solutions, maybe make a connection to soda. If it's an ecosystem, maybe make a connection to deforestation, some connection in the real world. Okay, ninth sentence, maybe one more thought. And then finally, your conclusion. Clearly, this is an important scientific process, is an important scientific concept, but I'm going to leave this up here. Oh, crap, I just took a picture. This is a frame. Let me see if I can zoom it in because I don't want to. So I pause it. For your body paragraph. Now, again, these are just ideas, right? But overall, this is a good structure for a body paragraph.